If you are stuck choosing between Shopify or Wix, there is one detail almost every comparison video skips. And getting it wrong can lock you into the wrong platform for years. I am going to break this down fast so you walk away knowing exactly which one fits your business. Quick heads up before we start. Shopify is currently running a deal where you get your first month for just $1 through my link in the description, and Wix has its own discount that you will not find on their main website. Do not sign up directly because you will pay full price. Grab the link below, then come back. Here is the core of this Wix versus Shopify breakdown. These two platforms were built for completely different reasons. Wix launched as a general website builder for blogs, portfolios, and small business sites. You can sell products on it, but selling is a side feature. Shopify was built from day one to power online stores. Every feature inside Shopify exists to help you sell more, ship faster, and run a real e-commerce business. What does Shopify actually do well? The e-commerce engine is the biggest reason people pick it. You get automatic tax calculation, abandoned cart recovery, multi-currency checkout, full dropshipping support, and a point-of-sale system that works in physical stores too. Payment setup is simple. You can use Shopify payments or connect Stripe, PayPal, or other gateways in minutes. If you want to start an online store and actually sell, this is the platform built for that job. Now, an honest look at where Wix is genuinely strong. Design freedom. You get over 2,000 free templates and a true drag and drop editor that lets you place any element anywhere on the page. Shopify gives you a smaller selection of free themes, and most premium themes cost between $150 and $400. If your top priority is creative control and you want a beautiful site with a small shop on the side, Wix is hard to beat. And if Wix sounds like the right fit for you, my link in the description gets you the best available deal there too, so grab it before you sign up. Apps and integrations are another huge factor when picking the best e-commerce platform. Shopify has over 13,000 apps covering email marketing, SEO, upsells, reviews, inventory, and product sourcing for dropshipping. Wix has its own app market with around 1,600 options, which is decent but not even close. If you plan to scale, the Shopify app ecosystem gives you tools that Wix simply does not have. Here is the detail most comparison videos miss, and this is the one I mentioned at the start. You cannot export your Wix site. If you build your store on Wix and later want to move to another platform, you have to rebuild everything from scratch. Shopify lets you export your products, customers, and orders anytime you want. That portability matters enormously when your business grows past the side project stage, because you are not trapped. Let's talk pricing because this is where people get confused. Wix Lite starts at around $17 a month, but it does not include e-commerce features at all. To actually sell online with Wix, you need the core plan at about $29 a month. Shopify's basic plan is also around $29 a month, and it comes with unlimited products, abandoned cart recovery, and the full e-commerce engine right out of the box. Same price, way more selling power. And remember, through my link, you get Shopify's first month for $1, so the real cost to start is almost nothing. Click the link in the description right now before that offer ends. Mobile performance matters too. All Shopify themes are fully responsive, so your site automatically adjusts to look great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Wix sites are mobile-friendly, but they are not fully responsive in the same way. You often have to design a separate mobile version yourself, which takes extra time, and Google tends to reward fully responsive sites in search rankings. So, what is the final verdict on Wix or Shopify? If you mostly want a beautiful general website with a small shop on the side, Wix is a smart pick. The design tools are fun, the templates look amazing, and it is very beginner-friendly. But if you are serious about building a real online store, growing revenue, and scaling into a brand, Shopify is the clear winner. It is built for selling, it scales with you, and the biggest e-commerce brands in the world run on it for a reason. Here is the truth. Watching one more comparison video will not make this decision for you. The only way to know which one fits is to try them. Both platforms offer free trials, and right now is the cheapest moment to start. Click my link in the description, claim the Shopify $1 deal or the Wix discount, and you can have your store live tonight. These promotions can disappear without warning, so do not wait. Sign up through the link, get the offer locked in, and start building today. If this Shopify versus Wix comparison helped you, hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next review. Drop your questions in the comments and I will reply as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.